So here is my package from Sigma, and I opened it already because I was excited to see. So I got this Palm Matte makeup brush cleaning tool. This is kind of cool because you can go like that to clean your brushes. It's adjustable, and this was the main thing that I wanted to get and try out. The Sigma Dry and Shape Tower Eyes. 48 brushes, yes. It looks like. So let me take all this out. So step 1, secure the connector A and the medium B. Brush base with the twist together to ensure the large base with the drying straps is on the bottom. So this side up, it tells you just goes back, or goes in there, easy enough. And this side up. So then secure the second connector to the medium base. And then C, this side up. That goes in there. Twist. All right. Easy peasy. Oh, yes, they have 48 brushes for eyes, the shape, the 44 for face and tower, and then the 68 full tower. Quite a few brushes over here, and I'm going to use, this is Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. That's usually what I use. So we're just gonna put this, I guess, on the wash section. And then I'm just gonna wet the brushes and then go around and clean them and then rinse them off. See how this goes. Pretty dirty.
I realize it looks like I'm being pretty rough with the brush, but I am going light-handed on this.
Thinking maybe what I could do is put the soap on here. I don't know if that'll work. Let's see. And then if I take a brush, I'm gonna dab into the soap. I don't know if that will drip. And then go over here. You know, I have never watched a YouTube video, I just realized, of how people clean their brushes. So, because I was thinking, well, do other people put the soap on each one of them? not sure if I'm real crazy about this, if this really is helpful or not. Let me just try if I just do it on the sink. This is supposed to keep their shape. Okay, so you gotta make sure your brush fits there first. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Okay. So there is the bottom layer. Okay. Oops, I missed one more. Did a brush fall out? No. Okay, now let's see. Do I have them all? Oh, that does look pretty nice. Let's put this back on. See if these last ones will fit in between here, I guess. Yeah, okay. I wish that this was a little bit higher just so that these brushes didn't touch, but overall I like the concept of it. So none of my face brushes will fit in there because that's kind of the spacing. So here's all my brushes and the Blendiful, my beauty blenders. I don't know exactly where they are right now. I have gotten misplaced in the move, but here are my brushes, face brushes. And yeah, this definitely saves you counter space. If they dry the brushes well and they hold their shape, I might look at getting the face one. But yeah, because before I would need much more space than this. So we'll check back tomorrow morning. It'll be a second for you, but we'll check back and see how they are tomorrow. My brushes are dried. These are looking good. So let's see. Easy to remove from here. Yeah, those look nice and clean and held their shape. I took the top part off. Seemed like that was easier. Move that so you can see it better. So yeah, those held the shape good, putting them in there. Yeah, that worked awesome. Held the shape good.
And I realized I didn't record an outro, so thanks for watching. Let me know how often you wash your brushes. Thanks. Bye.